Hi and welcome back to Echo Travel Adventures. Today we are at week 5 at HHN.
If you are new here, we're all about theme parks, travel, and weird things in between, posting twice a week. Amber, are you ready?
Yeah,
let's go.
Let's go.
Look at the Sphinx. I waved at it, it went like this, and goes.
I like that.
Can I get a picture?
Ooh, look at that. Oh, she changed her dress.
Oh wow.
Amber. Yeah, is that her? No.
So Brian's looking for a snacky because we're getting hungry. Huh?
Yeah.
We're trying to do different things, but like I said, I'm trying not to do the walking taco again. We'll see. I mean, the carrot cake was pretty good.
And we all got separated and everybody had a fun.
But that's not dinner.
It was. I mean, I could do the twisted taters. Maybe. If I don't find anything else. What about you?
Yeah, I'm not liking anything on the menu this year. Or last year.
Well, we'll show you what we get if we get anything.
That was actually pretty loud.
Like they just got it.
You might be next. I gotta get away from
walk away.
Yeah. She'll come back. See, off. There she is.
Proud of you.
Good job. So I got the walking taco again because Brian wanted to get his tacos from the little taco truck here at Simpson's. But this is a go-to. I like it a lot.
So the icing actually tastes like bubblegum. So the way it's red.
But look at it. It's been in the freezer.
Oh no.
Yeah. It tastes like the bubblegum.
It's a confetti cupcake, vanilla, and bubblegum frosting or icing.
Look like that. Look at that. Where's
Probably because it's thawing out. Look at the difference.
I mean, I was picking at it, but like, look at it.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot of icing.
Sounds like confetti at least.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're not big icing people.
It's not bad.
You heard it here, folks. She said it's not bad. The tacos. Amber got the walking taco.
I showed it.
Original.
I've had it, what, like 6 times?
Double that.
No.
She has it like twice a night.
No, we don't, because we only come twice a week.
She has it like at least once a night.
No, because we only eat once a night.
Okay, true. But we're going to be meeting 2 members of the Fuel Girls, the famous Terror Twins. That's exciting. And then a friend of ours that we met last year is now a scare actor, and we were able to see her.
We saw her in one of the scare zones.
So proud of her.
I tried to put a little clip in.
Yeah. So it's really cool for her because that's what every time we talk to her, she's like, I just want to be a scare actor.
I know, it's like her dream.
Yeah. And who
I'm
says?
So proud of her. I'm glad she did it.
Same. And who says that Disney, grants dreams? Universal does now.
Well, it's good for her though to have it on her resume as well, like I was saying, because it'll help her out for other jobs that she wants.
Yeah, and she's so young, so it's really going to help her out in having a better career.
She's so tiny too. You see her like, is that her?
I know, but anyway.
Oh, and then when I was trying to take a video, I don't know, for some reason my flash went off, and I was like, oh shit. And I put it down, and then like, what, 5 minutes later, team member's like, hey, just let you know. I was like, I know, I'm not supposed to have flash. It was an accident. Did not mean to.
Tell you what, these people, they ruin it for everybody by having the flash on.
I did it like one time, and she told me like after the fact. I was like, I know, I was already about to take another video.
Yeah, and we're trying to see if we can find one of our friends from HHN 29. He's here with his, I believe, boyfriend?
Yeah.
Fiance?
Boyfriend? Yeah. I met them at Yeti because he took a picture inside the house. And I was like, no, 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 sir, I'm following you. And I was like, you guys want to go again? And they're like, yeah, we want to go again. He's like, I love you, but I hate you. I was like, cool, I'm taking you back in. And then we kind of met up with him afterwards, and we gave him his first pizza fries. That was the first time he ever had pizza fries.
Oh, we're yeah. Oh. Yeah. There she is. You look gorgeous.
Party!